In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set white always on bottom using the settings menu. If you've ever found your chessboard flipping around depending on which side you're playing and you'd rather keep a consistent view, this setting is exactly what you need. It ensures the white pieces are always displayed at the bottom of the board, which can make it easier to focus on calculation, follow along in lessons, or keep your stream layout consistent. Start from any page on the site. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small cogwheel. Give that a click. If your browser window is narrow and you don't see it right away, try expanding the window or scrolling to the lower left area of the interface until the gear icon appears. This takes you into the main controls where you can adjust your experience. Next, select All Settings. This option opens the full configuration panel rather than just a small pop-up, so you can see everything in one place. It's the quickest way to get to the preferences that affect how your board looks and behaves during games and analysis. You'll be taken directly to the gameplay settings page. Here you can find the white always on bottom toggle. It's typically listed among other board behavior and orientation options. The label is straightforward. When the toggle is on, white is fixed at the bottom. When it's off, the board follows the side you're playing or the orientation of the position you're viewing. This can be helpful if you prefer the traditional view that flips when you play as black, but if you want consistency, keeping it on is the better choice. Most interfaces save this preference automatically as soon as you change it, so you generally don't need to click a separate save button. If you don't see the change reflected right away in your next game or analysis, a quick refresh usually brings the new setting into effect. To recap, click the cogwheel icon in the bottom left corner, choose All Settings, and then locate the white Always on Bottom toggle on the Gameplay Settings page. Adjust it to match your preference for board orientation, and you're done. It's a small change that can make a big difference in comfort and clarity, especially during longer sessions. Thanks for watching. If this helped you streamline your setup, consider applying similar tweaks in gameplay settings to fine-tune your experience even further. Enjoy your games, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.